Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unmute a Facebook profile story on PC using the latest update. If you've muted someone's story before and want to start seeing it again, it's easy to fix. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open Facebook. Start by opening Facebook in your web browser and logging into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile photo at the top right corner. Once you're logged in, go to the top right of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Enter your profile. In the menu, click on your name or profile to open your personal Facebook profile. Step 4. Click on the 3 dots, choose Story Archive. On your profile page, look for the 3 dots next to your name. Click on them, and from the options that appear, select Story Archive. Step 5. Click Settings, then Stories you've muted. Now, in your Story Archive, find the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it, then select Stories you've muted to view all the stories you've muted in the past. Step 6. Find the profile and click Unmute. Scroll through the list of muted stories and find the profile whose story you want to unmute. When you find it, click the Unmute button next to their name. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted the Facebook profile story. Now, you'll start seeing their stories in your feed again. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook and social media settings.